Welcome to Baluchi Zone. This short video will teach you how to say happy birthday in Baluchi. There's different versions, so pick the one you prefer the most. Happy birthday. Butene ruch marad bat. Butene ruch mubarak. Bitukiye ruch marad bat. Bitukiye ruch mubarak. Word by word translations. Happy day of birth. Some also use Tay Sal Ruch or Tay Sal Gwast Murad Bat or Mubarak. However, Sal Ruch or Sal Gwast are more common for anniversary rather than birthdays. Nonetheless, some might still use it for birthdays. Nothing is wrong with that. So you can say Tay Sal Ruch Mubarak or Tay Sal Ruch Murad Bat or Tay Sal Gwast Murad Bat or Tay Sal Gwast Mubarak. Lastly, you might have heard Tawalludet Mubarak. This is actually Persian and it is used due to heavy influence of the Persian language.